All right, this afternoon we are in Stoney Pointe, and behind me is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath patio home. This is a really preferred, beautiful community in southeast Lakeland, 55 and over. I'm going to give you a quick tour of this home so you can see the layout, the design. It's one of the smaller floor plans in here, and therefore moderately priced really well. So we don't think it'll last long, but let's take a look at the inside, the layout, see what you think. We're at 4183 Cobblestone, and I'm going to show you this Florida Design home. That's who the builder is, Florida Design. This is a great little street. When you first come in, you kind of wind around a little bit, and it's a small cul-de-sac area. You can see it's nice and quiet, 55 and over. They do have a clubhouse. They have a tennis court. There's a lake over here. And so this one is one of the ones that sits on this short little street, which is great. Windy day here today in Lakeland. Temperatures are dropping. We're not used to this. Like the real feels like 45 and it's dropping to the 20s tonight. The real feel is anyways. So side note, by the way, if you're wondering what that noise is. All right, so let's walk in, take a look. By the way, this one is really nice because it has no rear neighbors. You'll see that in a minute. It's a cute little place. You can see they've updated the flooring. It's got like the wood laminate flooring on it, so nice and open. About 1,250 square feet approximately of living area. Let me take you right to the back because this is where a lot of people spend their time. There you go. How about that view? Isn't that beautiful? It's called no rear neighbors, and if so, they're way back there. So that's a retention. That is taken care of by the HOA. HOA, there's dues in here, monthly, quarterly dues. Can't remember if they're monthly or quarterly, but they cover the lawn care. They take care of the replacing of the roofs every so many years. So really, really nice. Low maintenance community. High ceilings. Good size room. You got your bedrooms back here, your baths. In the front is the kitchen. Again, if you're looking for kind of simple living, the 2-car garage is straight ahead, so nothing really much to show you there, but it does have the GE refrigerator, Formica top, countertops with beveled edge, tile backsplash, stainless appliances over here too. Got a little window, kind of letting some natural light in. Kitchen the pantry is right there. Closet pantry, I should say. Got a little desk built in, or added in here, I should say. It's a piece of furniture, but it kind of sits nicely in the corner. Now there is a pocket door here, so if you want to close this off, you're able to do that. Now they're in the process of moving out, so a little messy, but you can kind of get an idea of the layout of this. Here's the bedroom, and then the closet right behind me. Bathroom is right here. Again, it's a lot of the original cabinets, but they're in really good shape. Mirror, wallpaper. Hey, why not leave it in? It'll come back in about 10 years anyways, right? Tub, shower combination. Stuff comes back around. Y'all know that. You know, it goes out of style, then it'll come back. What's in right now? Grays. Tans and beiges are still in a little bit, but sometimes they're a little outdated, so it's the grays. Guess what? Grays will go away, and then they'll come back, just like everything else. Now, here's the master bedroom. Carpet needs replacing. And then these are sliders that go into the screen porch, which we just were. It does have a walk-in closet here. I'll show you that in a second. Again, they're moving out, so it's a little unkept. Ceramic tile flooring, tub, double sinks, so double vanities, beveled edge on the countertop, got the lighting here, and then the shower. Shower's right here, so just like a walk-in shower door. And then, again, it's a little messy because you got stuff in there, but it's a walk-in closet. It's the main thing I wanted to show you. So nice size closet, and pre-wired for security system. It's got that. So I hope this gives you an idea. Quick little layout of this home. Cute little home. Really gonna be priced nice. Needs a little bit of work, but who's ready for no neighbors in a southeast Lakeland community? All my information is below. Whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. I hope you've enjoyed this brief walkthrough tour of this home on Cobblestone Drive. For more information on this home or anything else you see in the Central Florida area, myself and my team would love to connect with you. Let's talk about your real estate needs, and we can chat about how 2026 can be your move, your time to buy or to sell. All right, God bless. Have a good day.